Imagine a world without anything. No light, no darkness, no matter, no space, no time. What do we have left? The answer is nothing. But what exactly is nothing? The concept of nothing is complex and fascinating. It's a concept that is both simple and intricate, both intuitive and counterintuitive. It's a concept that has intrigued and puzzled the greatest minds for centuries, from philosophers to scientists to spiritual leaders. In this video, we will be embarking on a journey to explore the enigma of nothing. We will be looking at nothing from three different perspectives: that of philosophy, science, and spirituality. Each of these perspectives offers a unique lens through which to view nothing, each bringing its own insights and challenges. From the philosophical perspective, we will explore the paradoxes and contradictions that arise when we try to think about nothing. We will delve into the question of whether nothing can be thought of at all, and if so, how. From the scientific perspective, we will look at how modern physics grapples with the idea of nothing. We will see how concepts such as quantum vacuum and dark energy challenge our understanding of nothing and force us to reconsider our assumptions. From the spiritual perspective, we will examine how various spiritual traditions perceive nothing. We will explore the idea of emptiness in Buddhism, the concept of the void in Taoism, and the notion of the absolute in Hinduism, among others. Each of these perspectives will provide us with a different way of understanding nothing, each revealing a different facet of this enigmatic concept. In the process, we will be challenging our preconceptions, expanding our minds, and deepening our understanding of the universe and our place in it. So, are you ready to embark on this journey? Are you ready to delve into the enigma of nothing? As we delve into the enigma that is nothing, prepare to have your mind expanded and your perspectives challenged. Scene script. Philosophically, nothing is not just the absence of something, but a concept that can be debated and pondered upon. In philosophy, nothing is not a void or emptiness, but rather a complex and nuanced concept that has captivated thinkers for centuries. Let's delve into a couple of philosophical perspectives on nothing. Existentialism, for instance, regards nothing as a fundamental aspect of human existence. Existentialists like Jean-Paul Sartre argue that we come from nothing, we exist in nothing, and ultimately we return to nothing. For Sartre, nothing is not a nihilistic conclusion, but a liberating fact that allows us to create our own meanings and values in life. On the other hand, nihilism has a bleaker view of nothing. Nihilists believe that life itself is without objective meaning, purpose, or intrinsic value. To them, nothing is not just a physical or metaphysical absence, but a pervasive existential reality. Now let's discuss some paradoxes associated with nothing. One of the most famous is the nothing paradox, which goes, if nothing is a concept that we can think and talk about, then it must, in some sense, be something. But if nothing is something, then it can't be nothing. This paradox highlights the complexity of nothing as a concept and the challenges philosophers face when trying to define it. Another paradox is the creation ex nihilo paradox, which questions how something can come from nothing. This idea is not only a philosophical conundrum, but also a scientific and theological one. It challenges our understanding of causality and existence, leaving us with more questions than answers. So, philosophically, nothing isn't as simple as it seems, is it? Now let's explore nothing from a scientific viewpoint. In science, nothing takes on a whole new meaning. It becomes a space of infinite possibilities. Let's dive into the fascinating world of physics and cosmology. Here, nothing is not an empty void, but a bustling arena of activity. This is where we encounter the seemingly paradoxical concept of a vacuum, a space devoid of matter, yet teeming with virtual particles. These particles blink into and out of existence in a fraction of a second, a phenomenon dictated by the Heisenberg uncertainty principle. This principle, one of the cornerstones of quantum mechanics, states that the precise position and momentum of a particle cannot both be known at the same time. Thus, in the realm of the infinitesimally small, nothing is a seething cauldron of potentiality. Now let's shift our gaze to the cosmos. In the vast expanses between stars and galaxies, we find what scientists call dark matter. Despite its name, dark matter is not nothing. It's a type of matter that does not interact with light or any other forms of electromagnetic radiation, making it virtually invisible. Yet it exerts gravitational effects on visible matter, influencing the formation and movement of galaxies. In a sense, this nothing is the scaffolding upon which the universe is built. Even stranger is the concept of dark energy, a mysterious force driving the accelerated expansion of the universe. This is not nothing in the traditional sense, but a form of energy that permeates all of space. It's like an invisible sea in which the galaxies are but islands. In the world of science, nothing is far from being devoid of interest. It is a concept that challenges our understanding of reality, pushing the boundaries of what we know and what we can imagine. It is a testament to the paradoxes and mysteries that lie at the heart of scientific inquiry. In the realm of science, nothing is full of fascinating paradoxes and mysteries. Now, on to our final perspective, spirituality. In spirituality, nothing often signifies the ultimate reality or the source of everything. It's a paradoxical concept that transcends our conventional understanding of the term nothing. Let's explore this further. In many spiritual and religious traditions across the world, the concept of nothing holds a place of profound importance. It is seen not as a lack or absence, but rather a state of completeness, fullness, and ultimate reality. Consider Buddhism, where the concept of shunyata or emptiness is central. It's a complex term often misunderstood to mean nothingness. However, it's more accurately understood as the absence of independent existence. Everything is interconnected and nothing exists in isolation. So in a sense, nothing is the realization of this interdependence and impermanence. It's a state of being that's devoid of self-centeredness and filled with wisdom and compassion. In Hindu philosophy, the concept of nothing is encapsulated in the term Brahman, the ultimate reality or cosmic spirit. Brahman is often described as neti-neti, which means not this, not this. It's an indication that Brahman is beyond all physical and mental constructs, beyond everything we know and perceive. It's nothing in the sense that it's not anything we can conceive or comprehend, yet it's everything because it's the source of all existence. This spiritual perspective of nothing challenges our usual binary thinking. It invites us to embrace ambiguity and paradox, to see nothing not as an empty void but as a space teeming with potential. It's a realm where opposites coexist, emptiness and fullness, absence and presence, end and beginning. It's fascinating how nothing can be so full of meaning, isn't it? This is the beauty of spiritual wisdom. It expands our understanding, refines our perceptions, and reveals the profound in the mundane. In spirituality, nothing becomes everything. It's a profound and deep concept, isn't it? So, we've explored nothing from philosophy, science, and spirituality. Each perspective offers a unique understanding of this complex concept. Let's take a moment to reflect on our journey through the enigmatic landscape of nothing. From the philosopher's viewpoint, nothing is not merely an absence, but rather a space for potentiality, a canvas waiting for the brush strokes of existence. It is in this nothingness that we find the roots of existentialism, where the absence of inherent meaning in life invites us to create our own. Next, we ventured into the realm of science, where nothing is anything but empty. Quantum physics suggests that even the most seemingly void spaces are buzzing with energy, with particles and antiparticles spontaneously coming into and fading out of existence. Here, nothing is a hotbed of ceaseless activity, challenging our conventional understanding of vacuum and emptiness. On the spiritual plane, nothing transcends the physical world. It symbolizes a state of transcendental consciousness beyond the realm of thoughts, desires, and the ego. In many spiritual traditions, this nothingness is the ultimate goal, a state of pure being and bliss, unmarred by worldly concerns. As we've seen, nothing is not a one-dimensional concept. It's a multifaceted enigma that surfaces in different forms across various domains of human knowledge and experience. Each perspective of nothing adds a new layer of complexity, challenging our conventional understanding and inviting us to delve deeper. Nothing is not just a concept, but a mirror reflecting our perceptions, beliefs, and intellectual pursuits. It's a testament to our ceaseless quest for understanding, a question that, despite its simplicity, holds the potential to unravel the complexity of our existence. As we conclude, remember that nothing is not just the absence of something, but a concept that invites us to question, ponder, and explore the mysteries of life and the universe.